QuickBooks versus FreshBooks accounting software comparison. Choosing the right accounting software can transform how you manage your finances without unnecessary complexity. QuickBooks offers comprehensive tools while FreshBooks focuses on simplicity and ease of use. QuickBooks and FreshBooks are two leading accounting solutions designed for small to medium businesses. The core difference lies in QuickBooks' extensive features for detailed accounting, while FreshBooks prioritizes user-friendly invoicing and time tracking for service-based businesses. QuickBooks is a robust accounting platform developed by Intuit, designed to handle a wide range of financial tasks. It offers invoicing, expense tracking, payroll, tax preparation, and advanced reporting. QuickBooks connects with numerous banks and apps, automating data import and reconciliation. Its strength lies in its scalability and depth, making it suitable for businesses with complex accounting needs. The software supports multiple users with customizable permissions, ideal for teams and accountants. However, QuickBooks can feel overwhelming for beginners due to its extensive features and steeper learning curve. It also requires a more detailed setup to tailor the software to specific business requirements. QuickBooks is best suited for businesses needing comprehensive financial management, such as retail, manufacturing, or growing startups that require detailed bookkeeping and reporting capabilities. FreshBooks is an intuitive cloud-based accounting software focused on simplicity and ease of use. It streamlines invoicing, expense tracking, time tracking, and client communication, making it ideal for freelancers and small service businesses. FreshBooks' interface is clean and straightforward, which reduces the learning curve and speeds up daily financial tasks. It offers automated invoicing, late payment reminders, and integrates with popular payment gateways to simplify client billing. While FreshBooks excels in user experience and client management, it lacks some advanced accounting features like inventory management or complex tax reporting found in QuickBooks. FreshBooks is perfect for solo entrepreneurs, consultants, and small teams that prioritize quick invoicing and straightforward expense tracking over detailed accounting. QuickBooks and FreshBooks serve distinct needs. QuickBooks is a powerful, all-in-one accounting solution suited for businesses requiring detailed financial oversight, such as inventory management and payroll. For example, a growing retail business would benefit from QuickBooks' comprehensive reports and multi-user support. On the other hand, FreshBooks shines with its simplicity, ideal for freelancers or small service providers who want fast invoicing and easy expense tracking without complex features. A freelance designer or consultant would appreciate FreshBooks' clean interface and client communication tools. The trade-off is between depth and ease of use. QuickBooks offers more features but demands time to master, while FreshBooks is user-friendly but less feature-rich. Choosing depends on business complexity and accounting needs. QuickBooks is recommended for businesses needing advanced accounting features, detailed reports, and scalable solutions that support multiple users in complex financial operations. FreshBooks is ideal for freelancers and small service businesses seeking straightforward invoicing and expense management without the hassle of complicated accounting. Select FreshBooks for simplicity and speed, or QuickBooks for comprehensive financial control tailored to growing businesses. Your choice depends on your priorities.